It's a beautiful Saturday morning and we're heading out to a car show, and we got the Supra. It's got a little different look. I'm about to show you guys. I got some new wheels on it, so it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna be getting together right now at my buddy Elvis's place. We're gonna have a little pre-meet before the car show, and we should have some pretty sweet cars over there, and we're gonna head out down to a car show down at the park. So there should be a ton of cars out today. We're gonna have lots of fun, and yeah, you guys enjoy. So before we head out, here's the new setup on the wheels. So these are the Work VSXX wheels that I was showing you guys earlier that I was rebuilding. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to have time to film the whole process of me rebuilding these wheels, but we were kind of on a time crunch. I was trying to get them done before the show, so yeah, so that's kind of a bummer, but man, it just looks beautiful. I was able to lower it down a little bit, and you know, got a little a nicer stance, I guess, on it. So they're 18 by 9s in the front and 18 by 10s in the rear, with a 265/35 in the back and a 245/35 in the front. And yeah, it looks amazing. So we got a nice little detail on it last night, and so yeah, let's head out and go see what's go meet up with some dudes and see what's going on. All right guys, so we just met up with some friends. We got a bunch of cars behind us, and we're rolling down to the park. So once we stop here in a few minutes, we'll show you guys everybody that's with us. It's my brother Dan right here.
What's up, man?
He's here for the weekend.
Dan the man.
Dan the man. He's my older brother, and he's the one that got me into cars. So now I'm car crazy. So.
Got to say, Mike?
Not much. They wanted me to lead the way, so I guess I'm in front. I'm gonna try to find a place to park right now.
It's gonna be a good day.
Got my buddy Daniel's Evo right here. What's up? What are you doing?
You know Jimmy?
Yeah, who's Jimmy?
He rigged it.
Oh, no way, dude.
Yeah, dude, I was sitting there yesterday. I'm like, oh, it ripped off.
The molding came off?
Yeah,
oh,
the previous
snap.
owners caulked it with black.
Yeah.
With black. And I was like, what is this?
Ouch. This thing is filthy. Oh man. Hey, what's up, dude? How's it going?
eating a donut.
Yeah, you having a donut?
Yeah, this is my girlfriend, Stephanie.
Hey, how are you?
Hi,
Mike.
nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you guys. It's the Performance Lab Civic. This thing is pretty gnarly.
So I'm kind of tuning it. So I'm taking.
And then we got Elvis's NSX. Sitting on some Volks. And we got David's 335 and Ivan's Evo. What's up, Brian?
How's it going, man?
Good, how are you, man?
Not too bad.
Thanks for getting us the spots, man.
Hey, no problem.
Appreciate that. How's the car?
Yeah,
You know?
it's in one piece.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
Start.
Yeah, for sure. We got Carlos's Ferrari 360 Modena. I believe that's how you pronounce it. We got another friend with the S2000. And then over here we have a boat trailer. What's up, dog? What's cracking? There you go. What's up, Todd?
Hello, how you doing?
Good, how are you, man?
Not too bad.
Yeah? You got the beamer out?
Yeah.
Nice. How's you running?
It runs good.
Yeah?
Everybody walks by and is like, oh, it's a lot of plastic. Then they keep walking.
Yeah. What's up, homie?
That's the car I want.
You want the FD? There's a red one right there, too.
Check out this. Don't purchase this here. You won't purchase it. Bro, check out this. Don't purchase it.
Still people rolling in.
Hi guys, I'm at the car shop.
Okay, show them the car.
Look at this car. This is Van's car. And
What's this one?
I forgot.
RX-7.
5'7".
That's awesome, man. That is crazy. We got a LS single turbo. The hole in the hood. Looks pretty gnarly. It's a Beamer. We got a ZR1 right here. This thing is filthy. Woo! Careful by the car. Well, that was pretty much it for the car show. We ended up just kind of leaving a little bit earlier, but yeah, so it was a pretty fun day, lots of fun cars. And here's the Supra, there she is. It's looking nice and neat. Didn't get any awards or anything. Just the fact that there was another built Supra there that got the award, but it's all good. This thing's all stock. It'll get some nice goodies on it pretty soon. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little quick video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.